when you do the vibrational work, so when you're working with someone who wants to raise their vibrations, what does that look like? So is it meditation?
No. So when we're doing any form of energy work, we do it remotely, because the people on this platform have the power to be able to connect to an energy regardless of wherever you are. So when it comes to vibration, the highest vibration your body can take is 997 hertz. And that is done in 3 stages, because there's only so much vibration that we can raise within your body. So it's done in 3 stages with like 8-week gap in between minimum. And the first stage is 549 hertz, 749 hertz, and 997 hertz. That is it. That's your vibration done. And on top of that, you do the auric field repair. So you're nice and solid, you're glowing, protection, and you're done. That's it.
How do you know when you're vibrating high at the 9? What is it, 9?
You will feel it. There is actually a testimonial on my website, and the woman said she felt like her ass was on firecracker or something. She had so much energy. Yeah. There's so much. This is the knowledge. This is what we wanted to bring to the public.
So when you mentioned that there's people out there who feel like they can, let's say you tell someone they have something on their energy field, they have to get it removed.
Yeah.
You tell them what the steps they have to take, what it's going to be. They decide not to do it. They still have this energy on them, but they think that they can have it removed in some other way. What are some of those common misconceptions of things that rituals people do that think that they feel like they can take off this negative energy on them?
So they say they light a candle and they do it themselves. Okay, good luck with that. You know, continue in your shit land. Come back to me in a 6 months' time when things are still the same. We've had that before. We've had people who have gone to perhaps Reiki healers. They haven't done shit all.
I was telling you, my grandma, growing up, I would see my grandma do little funny things.
There's certain things that you can do to clean your aura.
I saw my grandma throw an egg out the window before. And I freaked out, and I called my mom, and I'm like, what's happening? She just threw a freaking egg out the window. I was like, that's scared. And I'm like, what is that? But my grandma was like very spiritual and very like superstitious. So
you can ward off like bad spirits. So they don't come into your house. Like, all cultures have many different things that they do.
When my grandma passed away, I found garlic everywhere. When you're ready to get that edge when it comes to manifesting, head over to www.manifestwiththemedium.com and have your vibration raised. You can use code Diani at checkout for a discount incentive.